Playing Mario Kart on a bike. We all know about the game Mario Kart, and if you don't, you probably should. And I have always wondered if there's a way to play it more physically, to get more immersed in the game. And this shouldn't be that hard. You can already steer by tilting your controller. So logically, my first thought was to attach it to a steering wheel. But then my consciousness came back to me, and I realized that that was extremely stupid and dangerous. So I attached it to my bike instead. And you can easily steer by tilting the whole bike, which won't be a problem in the future. Foreshadowing. And if I attach my screen in front of the bike, I will even be able to see the gameplay. So I will just have to ride my bike like this. I found this old carbon fiber part in my wardrobe, which I will be using as a base for this project. I then quickly designed a way to attach it to the bike, and a mount for the Nintendo screen. I also designed this cute little Joy-Con mount to be placed on the handlebar. And I 3D printed all of that out, and the Joy-Con actually fits pretty well. And as you can see, the carbon fiber part just snaps in, and you can then attach the screen mount on top of that, like this. And surprisingly, it actually looks quite good on the bike. The Joy-Con you can just slip in and out, the carbon fiber parts are tightly attached, and the ground would probably break before the screen because of these sharp edges. Maybe not the best design, is it? I will be driving as this literal baby on 50cc against easy CPUs, because that's all I can handle. And I will be recording all of this on this $20 GoPro camera that I bought online, which hopefully won't be a problem. It totally was a problem. You can't even see the screen. But hey, it was dark outside. And it was at this point that I realized that this was going to be difficult. Who could have guessed? I was driving into stuff all the time, and it was much more difficult to steer than I thought. So the new goal for the video is to not get last place. I went back to the drawing board and designed this phone mount to better record the screen. And yeah, the phone is held together by zip ties, duct tape and dreams. But hey, as long as it works. And I did set out much earlier this time, so it's much lighter outside. I was just about to start, but an old lady drove into the parking lot, so I had to act normal, go into the settings menu and start screwing some screws. But now she's gone. And this was hard to drive. I was driving into stuff all the time. And I think you don't understand how much you have to tilt the bike to actually steer away from the wall. I was driving into the wall over and over again. And of course, got last place. And then came the run I had been waiting for. I was swerving down the parking lot. Look at that. And I was actually able to detach from the walls. Look how clean that is. And yes, I was at 11th place, but I fought my way back up and was actually able to overtake the CPUs. Look at this. That's clean. That's clean. Especially on a bike. And I even fell once, but I got back up. And topped out at a respectable 5th place. And yes, I might not have finished the race on 5th place, but hey, I was doing great. And clocked in at 7th place, which I see as a tremendous win. And yeah, I might not have won, but hey, it was fun. And thank you for watching. Please leave a like. See you next time.